Here we're asked to find the domain range, maximum, and minimum of our function. So list that out here so we can keep track of everything. Domain range, maximum, and minimum. And we're going to write NA for anything that doesn't actually apply. So first thing that we got to do here is we got to look to see what the general shape of our graph is going to be. We don't need a perfect graph to be able to tell the domain range, maximum, and minimum. We really just need a couple pieces. The first thing I'm going to look at is the A value. The A value, the number in front of these parentheses here, is our vertical stretch or compression. Also, if it's negative, which it is, it tells us that it is going to flip over the x-axis. So it is going to vertically reflect. So what that means is that the general shape, instead of it being a U shape, it's actually facing downwards or opening down. So that tells us a couple things. First of all, that there is going to be a maximum because there is going to be a highest value. Since it is symmetrical, it's going to point downwards on both the left side and the right side. So meaning there is not going to be a minimum since it goes down forever. So in this one, I'm already going to say that there is no minimum, but we'll find the maximum in a little bit. Next, for the domain, the nice part about quadratics is that the domain is always going to be all real numbers because these arrows here go on forever to the left and to the right. I know the lowest value is negative infinity. The highest value we go to is positive infinity. It's never actually going to touch those values, so we just use the less than symbol. Lastly, the range and the maximum. So we know it's opening downwards. We just got to find out where the highest point is. And the highest point of an upside down quadratic or parabola is the vertex. The vertex is told by where the k value is at. So I know that normally in our parent function, if it was a negative, it would be facing downwards with a vertex at 0, 0. But the k value shifts it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And that tells us where the highest value is, where the maximum is at 5. The range, well, we know the maximum is at 5, and we know that it goes down forever. So going down forever means that it goes towards negative infinity. And the highest value we set is 5, and we know it's going to touch that value. So we have a bracket to show that.